So while the world is going crazy over this whole new AI thing, where people are turning their voices into other voices, changing their faces into other faces, we're all having fun, but are forgetting one little thing. How do we make money off of AI? That's what I'm here to answer today. One way you can make money off of AI is by publishing a children's book. I know what you're thinking. I'm not an author. I am not a publicist. I don't know how to draw. That's completely fine, because what I figured out is with AI, you can now handle all of those things at the click of a button. So check this out. There's this app called Leonardo.ai. It's an artificial intelligence generator. Yes, it has your basic photos, schemes for video games, but what you do with it is where you get the gems from. How do you go about publishing a children's book? You pair Leonardo.ai with ChatGPT. Boom. You got yourself the perfect marriage. You use ChatGPT to pretty much write the book. You give it a title or an idea, and it'll give you a title based off the idea, which is fire. And then once it's written, you then go to Leonardo.ai to get your artwork. Figure out what goes with it. SpongeBob SquarePants, I don't know, roly-poly-oly, whatever works. Once you do that, you put it together. And you can go on Amazon KDP. Yeah, Amazon KDP, you can publish these books completely for free. Now, I know what you're thinking. It probably sounds like far-fetched, but let's just do some math really quick, because you know I'm a numbers guy. On Amazon, there's a book called The Wonderful Things You Will Be. It's a children's book. The hardcover is $9.40. 27,783 people bought this book. Let's do the math really quick. You pretty much almost got 270,000 off of that book. Well, I don't have time to write a book. Well, that's what AI is for. Within minutes, you can write a 100, 200, 3,000, 2,000 page book at the click of a button by entering a prompt right in a ChatGPT. So the next time somebody asks you, well, how do I make money with AI? There's your answer. Now, I want you guys to comment below some ideas that maybe you would put together using AI to make some bread. Talk to me.